Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the outer tail light, okay, the whole assembly right here on a Volkswagen Jetta 5th generation from 05 model until 2010. Left and right side are identical, we'll show you on left side, but it's the same for the right as well. You need to open the trunk, guys, and now you need a 10mm socket, okay, like that. On a screwdriver will be really convenient, but it's under that cap right there. You just need to open the cap, and there is two nuts, okay, that you will need to remove. Let me see if I can get a good angle. One is on the bottom and one is on the top, right there. Make sure you don't drop those, okay. Once they're loose, you need to make sure you catch it, because otherwise it's going to fall inside. Okay, just like that. And now there is one more right there on top. So you need to remove both of them. Just two nuts holding the whole assembly. Okay. And they're not usually tight or anything like that. Okay, you can see just a regular nut. That's what it looks like. And we got that one loose. Okay guys, so now that top cable, there is two things that you need to push towards each other. Okay, let me show you. Okay, it's a limited room. That's what it looks like. And you need to push it like that and pull it out. Okay, and now you need to open the cap. There is where the bulbs are, there is two notches on the bottom. Okay, let me show you where those are. Those are on the bottom, right there. And you need to press up on both of them and you can pull it out. And now you can grab the tail light. Okay, grab it with your hands and pull it out. It gets stuck there. Okay, and that's how you guys remove the outer tail light. If you need to remove it, just like that. It's pretty simple, so it shouldn't take you more than 2 minutes to do it yourself, and you install it back together in reverse order that we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.